everyone, I welcome you in Vidushi Vision. In this video on one word substitution, now we are going to discuss some words related to nature study. So let us start. One who studies plant and animal life is called naturalist. An animal able to live both on land and in water, amphibian, for example frog. An animal or plant growing on another, parasite. Living or moving in groups, gregarious. Gregarious is also known as one who is social or friendly. Those kind of people, they are known as gregarious. Animals with backbone, vertebrates. The animals of a certain region, fauna. The plants and vegetation of a certain region, flora. The inside of a nut, kernel. The central part of a fruit, core. The meat of deer, venison. The flesh of sheep, mutton. Rock from which metal is extracted, ore. The green coloring matter in the leaves of plants, chlorophyll. A four-footed animal, quadruped. For example, cats, dog. A gnawing animal, rodent. Rodent are the animals, they are having long tails, short limbs and vigorous body. For example, squirrel, porcupine, rat, etc. A cud chewing animal, ruminant, for example cow and sheep, etc. A preparation for killing insects, insecticide. Insecticides, they are the chemicals or the substance which are used to kill insects. For example, at our home we are using hit and mortine, etc. Lasting for a single year, annual. Lasting for 2 years, biennial. Lasting for many years, perennial. The process by which the young plants begin to grow, germination. The process by which plants manufacture food, assimilation. The process by which plants take up mineral salts through roots, absorption. The process by which plants and animals breathe, respiration. The dead skin cast off by a snake, slough. So this was all about some words related to nature studies. I will be coming with many more videos on one word substitution. If you like this video, you can subscribe it and share it. And I would like to wish you all a very happy new year in advance and enjoy your day. We will be meeting now and next year. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.